Before you browse Reddit, stop for a second, because most people assume using Reddit anonymously is complicated. The surprising truth is that you can protect your identity with just a few simple steps, and it works for both reading and posting content. Anonymous browsing lets you view posts, comments, and communities without logging in or revealing your account. You won't believe what happens next when users realize they can hide personal activity while still engaging with public content. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They think you must create a new account or use a VPN. In reality, Reddit has a built-in anonymous browsing mode in its PC version that's easy to enable. To enable it, open Reddit on your PC and click on your profile icon. Select anonymous browsing from the drop-down menu. Reddit will then let you browse posts and comments without associating your activity with your account. You can still log back and to interact or post normally. The upside is privacy. Your browsing history and upvotes aren't tracked on your account, reducing the visibility of your online behavior. It's perfect for checking sensitive topics or exploring new communities without leaving a footprint. The downside is that some features, like posting or saving content, require logging back in. Also, moderators and Reddit's backend still see activity for compliance purposes. The surprising truth about anonymous browsing on Reddit is that it's quick, built-in, and doesn't require extra software. With one click, you can explore communities privately and safely. If this guide helped you browse Reddit anonymously, subscribe for more tips on internet privacy and safe browsing.